Hello fellow horn players, I'm back. It's time for another practice with me video, and this time we're doing lip slurs. So get your horn out, empty your spit, and let's get started. Okay, real quick before we get started, let me explain what a lip slur is. A lip slur is when you move from one note to another note that has the same fingering without tonguing. In the beginning of the video, you heard a complex lip slur. In this video, we're going to do some basic lip slurs that only use two notes. All lip slurs use the same fingering pattern. Open, middle, first, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yes, one of those is a fingering combination that we don't usually use, but as you can see, it works. To move from the low note to the high note without tonguing, you have to move from a low embouchure to a high embouchure. Now, if you have a question on how to do that, check out this video that explains how it works. Okay, let's play. I'm going to play the first pattern. In between, there are going to be 4 beats on the metronome, and then you play the same thing that I just played. Get it? All right, let's go. And that's how you do the basic lip slurs. Use these lip slurs when you warm up, and you are going to be amazed at how much better your playing is going to get. If you want a copy of the written exercise, you can get it down below in the description box. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at j2horn. Until next time, well, you already started practicing, so go finish practicing. Goodbye.